Good morning to all of you. As you know, the CISC board has been reduced the syllabus about 25% in all the subjects for the year 2020 and 21. And you know why? Due to corona disease. This is the pandemic, and I request to all of you that stay home, be safe. That is why the students are not going to the schools and the coachings. Teachers also teaching from the schools are at home from the home, that is only online teaching. Here I have made this video to explain that which topic has been removed, not which topic will come, which topic has been removed and from your syllabus, that is from the mathematics chapter wise, and which exercise will not come in the board exams, because in new syllabus only given that which has to be covered, but not compared with the old syllabus. I have compared from the old syllabus because I have the syllabus here, old and new syllabus. So I have compared, and with the reference of the book ISC Mathematics by our publication, means Arya publication by ML Agrawal. I have taken the reference of this book, and which exercise I will tell to remove from your syllabus only from this book. Consider this book. If you have anywhere, any student, if you have the book ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, then you will get the exact exercise. But if you have the other writers book, other publications book, then you have to search which I have explained, means which exercise from that book is removed. Okay, so students, watch it carefully till the end to get the sufficient knowledge about your new syllabus, that which topic or exercises will not come. Only this I will tell you, will not come. Chapter wise, this is the first. I tell you that this is the topic exercise not included. I am going to explain not included in ISC Mathematics syllabus only for the year 2020-21, means next year the examination in the March 21 or April 21, for that year, for this academic year. As per reference as per council and book, I have taken Arya publication ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal. Okay students, so take your notebook. If you have book, then okay, otherwise take your notebook and pen and note the topic which will not come in the coming board exam. I am not talking for the home examination, only for board examination, class 12 students of mathematics. Chapter 1, relations and functions. The topics which I am going to read will not included in this year. Binary operation, all axioms and properties, functions as a special relations concept of writing y is a function of x as y is equal to fx. Types 1 to 1, many to 1, onto, into, real valued function, domain and range of the function. These topics will not be included now for the board examination. And related to these topics, what I search in this book by Arya publication ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, I got the 3 exercises which you can remove, means this is not these exercises will not come in the exam board exam 2021. Exercise 1.2, exercise 1.3, exercise 1.6. Now chapter 2, inverse trigonometric function. In this chapter only graph of the inverse trigonometric function has been removed. Graph of inverse trigonometric, only graph, others will come. So no exercise is excluded. Chapter 3, matrices. This is the very important chapter, but only one topic has been removed: concept of elementary row and column operation. And this topic is given in the ML Agrawal book, Arya publication, exercise 3.5, that you have to remove. Means this will not come in the coming examination. Chapter 4, determinant. These topics will not come now. Finding the area of a triangle, consistency, inconsistency, and number of solutions of system of linear equations by examples. So by using this, I have searched the exercise in the book Arya publication by ML Agrawal, exercise 4.3, and in the question where the Martin's rules are used, in that only study the condition when mod A is equal to 0, means modulus of A is equal to 0. This will come, otherwise modulus of A is equal to 0 will not come, is equal to 0. Infinitely many solution will not come, inconsistency will not come. Chapter 5, continuity and differentiation. In this, the topics which I am going to read will not come. Continuity of a function at a point, continuity of a function in an interval, algebra of continuous function, removable discontinuity. Means the types of continuity and continuous function will not come. But in this, so I tell you the exercise 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 will not come, and in exercise 5.4 only the questions which covered differentiability will come, otherwise the continuity will not come. So, and the other differentiation will come. Now the chapter 6, indeterminate form. Indeterminate form, only the form 0 upon 0 and infinity upon infinity will come, others will not come, like 0 to the power 0, infinity to the power infinity, like this. The power form will not come, means exercise 6.1 only included, only 6.1 and 6.2 will come, but 6.3 will not come. Exercise 6.3 will not come. Chapter 7, applications of derivative. Application of derivative, the points which I am going to read will not come. Approximation, rate measure, absolute maxima and minima, point of inflection, these will not come. Only so I searched the exercises in this book, Arya publication, ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal. Why I am reminding this one, this is book, because I have taken the reference only this book, not by R.D. Sharma or any other book. This is in this the exercise 7.1 will not come, exercise 7.3 will not come, exercise 7.6 only question number 12 will not come, because there is absolute is asking, तो ये नहीं आएंगे. Now chapter 8, integrals. You listen carefully about the integral, because this chapter is very lengthy chapter. There are approx 18 exercises, 18-19 exercises. So there are so many exercises now cut. These will not come, which I'm going to read. Integration using partial fractions not come. Integral of the type other types, मतलब जितने भी 1 upon x square minus a square x square plus a square under root ax square under root integration of under root x square plus a square, these will not come. Also the definite integral as a limit of the sum will not come. Means in this book I have searched, these exercises will not come. Exercise 8.7, exercise 8.8, exercise 8.9, exercise 8.10, exercise 8.13, exercise 8.14 and exercise 8.15. These exercises will not come. I repeat one more time: 8.7, 8.8, 8.9, 8.10, 8.13, 8.14 and 8.15. These exercises will not come in the coming board examination. Now I talk about the differential equations. In the differential equations, these will not come. Solve problem of applications on growth and decay, solve problems on velocity, acceleration, distance and time, solve population based problems on application of differential equations, solve problems of application on coordinate geometry. So I have searched in this book ML Agrawal ISC Mathematics, only one exercise, that is 9.8, will not come in the coming board examination. Now chapter 10, probability. In probability, as you know, this chapter is also lengthy one, and these topics will not now included in the coming syllabus, will not come. Theoretical probability distribution function, mean, variance, random variable, repeated independent variables, binomial distribution, its mean and variance. So when I saw the book and exercises of Arya Publications ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, so in this the exercise 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 10.9 will not come in the coming board examination. Means these exercises, again I am repeating, exercise 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 10.9 will not come in the examination. Now we talk about the section B. What is the in the section B? Chapter 1, vector. These 2 points will not come in the board examination. Section formula and triangle inequalities, means the related questions with section formula and triangle inequalities in the vector will not come. And when I saw the questions, then in only the 3 questions there in the exercise 1.2, 38, 39 and 40. Question number 38, question number 39, question number 40. These questions based on the geometrical problem, and these will not included. ये भी include नहीं है. जो geometrical problem है proof करने के लिए by vector method, this is not included. Now chapter 2, 3-dimensional geometry. In 3-dimensional geometry, only the one point is not included, that is equation of a plane through the intersection of planes. That is P1, if first plane is P1, second plane is P2. So P1 plus K P2 is equal to 0. P1 plus K into P2 is equal to 0 is not included. And this I saw in this book ML Agrawal, exercise 2.6, the questions 24, 25 and 26. Only these 3 questions. And related to this point, that is the intersection of the planes. So this is not included. Now chapter 3, application of integrals. There are so many points which are not included now. In your book, in Arya publication, there are so many questions, so many points are given related with. So which will not come now. Circle means the area of the curves using integration will not come. This type of curve circle नहीं आएगा. Ellipse, modulus function, trigonometric function, exponential function and logarithmic function, these will not come in the exam, board exam. फिर से रिपीट कर रहे हैं. सर्कल, ellipse, modulus function, trigonometric function, exponential function and logarithmic function will not come in the examination, board examination. I am not talking about the home examination. And which is so in this, because only in this book one exercise is given, that is why I find it so many questions related with circle, ellipse, तो उनको आप छोड़ दीजिएगा and take only the questions lines, parabola and polynomials. सिर्फ इन्हीं से related questions आएंगे. So this is the section B. Now section C. In section C, application of calculus. Application of calculus, these are the included, so many exercises are there, 4 or 5 exercises, but which one you will not include? So rough sketching of the following curves: average revenue, marginal revenue, revenue cost, average cost, marginal cost and their mathematical interpretation using the concept of maxima and minima. ये नहीं यूज करना है, मतलब ये नहीं आएंगे. दिस इज द रफ स्केचिंग विल नॉट कम एंड ओनली द इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शंस बेस्ड ऑन मैक्सिमा मिनिमा विल नॉट कम रिलेटेड टू मैक्सिमा मिनिमा. तो इसमें रिलेटेड ओनली द एप्लीकेशन इन्वॉल्विंग, जो डिफरेंशिएशन से रिलेटेड होगा वही आएगा, बट रिलेटेड विद इंटीग्रेशन विल नॉट कम. मतलब इंटीग्रेशन से जो प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड होगी तुम्हारे सेक्शन सी में, फर्स्ट चैप्टर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कैलकुलस में, इंटीग्रेशन से रिलेटेड द क्वेश्चंस विल नॉट कम. नाउ द सेकंड चैप्टर इज लीनियर रिग्रेशन. लीनियर रिग्रेशन, in this only one exercise is there in this book. So therefore I have searched here. So only the 3 points are there which will not come. Scatter diagram will not come. The method of least squares will not come. And angle between regression line and properties of regression lines will not come. So these are the topics which you will not study in the examination in this book for the coming examination. And the last one, linear programming. Linear programming, the entire syllabus is covered as the old syllabus, new syllabus, both are same. So there is no topic that I tell you that it is cancelled. Therefore now this is the end about the entire syllabus, which is the from your ISC mathematics. The topic what I told will not come in the coming board examination. So therefore watch this video till the end and you will get the sufficient knowledge. Okay, thank you, best of luck.